Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Afterpay Autopay setup. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows you to purchase products and pay for them in installments. Autopay is a convenient feature that enables you to set up automatic payments for your Afterpay purchases. To start, you need to have an Afterpay account and have made a purchase using the service. Once you have an outstanding balance, you can set up Autopay. The first step is to log into your Afterpay account and navigate to the Payments section. Here, you will see a list of your upcoming payments and the option to set up Autopay. To set up Autopay, you will need to link a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, to your Afterpay account. This will be the card that is used to make automatic payments. You can add a new card or use an existing one that is already linked to your account. Once you have linked a payment method, you can choose the payment schedule that works best for you. Afterpay offers flexible payment plans, and you can select the payment date and amount that suits your needs. You can also choose to pay a fixed amount or the full outstanding balance. After setting up Autopay, you will receive a confirmation email from Afterpay, and your payments will be automatically deducted from your linked card on the scheduled date. You can also track your payments and balance in the Afterpay app or website. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your linked account to avoid late fees or payment failures. You can also update your Autopay settings at any time, such as changing the payment method or schedule. Best practices for using Afterpay Autopay include regularly checking your account balance and payment schedule, ensuring you have sufficient funds in your linked account, and updating your Autopay settings as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience of Autopay and manage your Afterpay purchases with ease. In conclusion, Afterpay Autopay setup is a straightforward process that can help you manage your payments and avoid late fees. By linking a payment method and setting up a payment schedule, you can enjoy the benefits of automatic payments and make the most of the Afterpay service.